Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable e-commerce features on your website on Hostinger Website Builder. So what we're going to have to do here is to click on your website, click on website here and decide on which website you would like to enable. So let's click on edit website. I'm going to click on edit website from here. And then here is just, now I don't have anything on this website, but I'll just add, let's say this. And then if I want to enable e-commerce for this, actually, let me add you can add here another section and add an online store, right? But now if you go here to online store, you actually enabled online store on your blog, on your site. But you don't have to add this section in order to add the online store or e-commerce on your website. You can even like add a new page right now. You can go to pages and navigation and add a new page. And then from here, you can choose online store. You can add a product list or single list. I can click on this one here. Name in navigation, I can change the name, the page URL from here. Name this something else or just change this. I can, from here, I can hide this page if I want. Also social media, to add a social media to this page, which is a very good idea. And also I can protect this page with a password. Okay, can enable password, and now I can enter a password. Then I can add a customized page, which will look like when you need to enter that password. The user, they will be able to enter the password right on this page, or they'll just receive this text, which I don't like. I like more this design. And you can click on enable, but I'll just disable this. And from here now, you can add this page. Let's say I'll add this one, and I can rename this. Or if you want, now I have two, I can click on the three dots here and select delete. So yeah, we have a page here, a product page. And from here now, we can click on this section and we can click on edit this section. All right, and from here we can change store language, will direct us to the settings for our store, will direct us to from where we can change settings to our store. Right now here, setup, you can set up your store, your country, and then I can choose now a different country. I can add the name, start the letter. First letter United States, let's say US currency. Now I can continue, and I've changed the store currency. Now I'll cover this right now, this interface, the store interface, but now I'll just click on exit. I'll show you how to actually open this interface. Now from here, the layout, you can change the image ratio. Square, I like to square and center, and then image corners, add some image corner, works pretty fast and pretty easy. Custom the spacing, column spacing, and then also row spacing. Right now, the style, you can also add the padding from there. Anyways, now the section color you can change from here. You can add the different section colors. You can even add an image or a video and increase opacity from here. But now we don't see the text, so we're gonna have to go to so here we have actually here text color, and then increase change to white. Okay, here on style, right? You can also add fixed background, and now here we can change to add some filters, which category to show. Now I don't have any category. I'm gonna show you how to add a category, and you have sorting here as well, which is fine. Total product scroll, with more products you have infinite scroll, and add to bag. We can customize the button here and change this fill color to white, let's say. And also you can only on hover show the button, but I don't like that. And I can also click on here to change the button, a different one, but I do not use that either. So I'll click on here and just change the color, fill color, fill color, and then hover color. Okay, You also add a hover color, so when it hovers, it's a different color now. Button size. You can pick color. And now image hover effect, if you want to add this image hover effect, I do like it. I'll add it. And now we added this. Now let's actually go to our product or store settings. So we're gonna have to click on here online store, and please select here store settings or manage store. I'm gonna click on manage store. And now from here, this will direct us to the store settings. From here, we can add products, we can add a payment to our store, we can connect to our Stripe, PayPal account, local, D-Local Go. It's great, has more over 200 local payments methods across Latin America, including credit cards. And now PayPal as well, you can connect your PayPal account and the Stripe account. You can accept online payments, pretty cool. Now products, and you can add products. I can, let's say, click on a product, and then I can add a title, a subtitle, a ribbon to this is just some samples products, but you can click on here add products, or you can just highlight all the products here, click on delete. I don't have any products, so we can click on add products. You can also import your products from here. Now I'll click on physical product here. I can just click on media in here and add my product. Yeah, I can add my product. I can click on here, open. Now here we have a product. What's cool about this, that we can actually edit the background. So we can click on here and then we can change the color for the background. This is where it's great, because usually for a lot of products, you don't want to use the background. You just want to add some colors in the background, which is great that we have this option. Now we can change the order. Like, let's say if you add you can also add a YouTube link from here, by the way. Just paste your YouTube link, maybe this link from your YouTube channel where you uploaded a video about your product, testing a product, or showcasing your product. Now I'm click on here an image. You can add another image, as you can change the order of the image with the video and change like this, or delete. Now you can add a title, shirts here, subtitle, cool shirts, ribbon here you can add, and also you can use description. You can use AI writer. Shirt products, good shirt for a woman. Generate text. You can click on here, generate text. It's gonna generate description for your product. Now that's too long. I can now highlight the text. You can change the color of your text from here. You can highlight your text with this button from here. Now if you add a link to your to a word, let's say, you can click on here, and this you can paste the link here. Now additional info section, you can add info section from here. Pricing, track quantity as well. You can add a price, the discount price, the SKU, the height. And you can also add options from here. So you can add product variants, which is pretty cool. Add option. Then here you can click on, you can add an option. So let's say a color here, option for color product variants. So here you can have a black color, just very simple example. And here another color, red. And then here you can click on save. And that's cool. If you add here multiple images, you'll be able to choose those images here on your variant. So click here manage variant, and then you'll be able to choose image from your product. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Now from here you can also add categories. Make sure you sell the product. You can add categories based on your products. Shirts for men. So okay, so you add a product. So you add like and you add a product now for this. No, I don't have any product, but you'll be able to choose the product for this for the category. So you click on the name, add the product, but I don't have any products. But yeah, well, that's cool. Now orders, you'll see the orders here. So how it looks like, I'm just gonna go here to show you on a different website. When I created actually a testing product, a test order, sorry. And here I'll click on manage my websites, and I'll select this website from here. Now I'll wait a couple of seconds, and here online store, manage store. And then from here you can see orders. So I can click on this order now. I can cancel order, download recipient, mark as fulfillment, or mark as paid. You can also view invoice from here, or download recipient. Okay. More actions here. You can view invoice, download recipient, or cancel order. If you want to cancel order, you have here this option: appointments, discounts, marketing, and then store settings. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.